Hello dear traders, today we will consider another competition Forex strategy called pain and PSN in the forehead. This is a strategy for the euro-dollar currency pair for 1 hour to trade it. We need to install three indicators on the currency pair chart: parabolic SAR indicator, bands, and envelopes indicator. All these indicators are available by default in the MetaTrader 4 trading terminal, and to install them I recommend simply downloading the template from my website. All the necessary settings will become automatically. Now let's look at the option for making deal, that is the condition for making deals and the order parameters that need to be set first of all. We find the options in which the Bollinger indicator is inside the envelopes indicator. Let me come out of this pink area. This is we said that it is possible to follow the candle. We see that the band Bollinger indicator is pressed and is between two lines, red and blue indicators. Envelopes is the preview signal to say that in the near future 3 will be a signal to conclude a deal after the appearance of such a signal. We wait for the band's Bollinger indicator to go beyond our blue or red line, that is at the moment when it expand. After we wait for the candle to close, that is we waited for the candle to close, after which our line was broken or rated the blue or red line, but at the same time we do not pay attention to the parabolic garden. In the parabolic garden is below our price. Then we make a deal to buy if it is above. Then we make a deal to sell the year. In the case we see that the candle close the green Bollinger line when above the envelopes indicator, and at the conclusion to open the preview candle and open the next candle, we make a deal to buy, while the parameters for making a deal, that is we make a deal at the current price. While you set the profit to distance 19.44 starting brokers. For brokers line Alpari 5 digit, we set the parameter to 900, while the stop loss we place the first option below the red line of our indicator, or the second option in the area up to 20 points. We see that it is less the minimum stop loss value of 10 points. Again, for 4-digit brokers, the maximum is 20 points. In the case of the best option is below the red one. In this case, the red one are far and out, and a stop loss of 20 points was set as we see the price went in our direction and the take profit deal was closed. We are considering the following situation for sell deal. Again, we are waiting for the option when the Bollinger is it will go between the two lines, red and blue thousand. So we see the option. Therefore, this is a signal that in the near future there will be a signal for the conclusion of a deal. We see when we but it goes outside this line red and blue. This is crossed. We are waiting for the candle to close. In this case, the black candle with it formed. Let me remove this line vertical indicator, the intersections and candle while or observing where the parabolics are. Indicator is located in this case. The background is above the price. Therefore, we are considering the option to conclude a deal to C. While we make a deal at the closing price of the candle, if it is below the lines below the red line and the Bollinger is lowered and the same at the opening price of our candle, while we set the stop loss to a minimum distance of 10 points for digital broker or above the blue, also the maximum stop loss. We have 40 points in this case. The maximum stop loss was selected and the price went to in our direction. We see that the take profit is moving at the same time, not that we set at the distance of 200 points for 4-digit brokers. Therefore, 0 points for 5-digit brokers. In this case, we see that the price or rated the transactions was closed early by the training stop of the built-in advisor. But if we had a deal and not closed that, then that you profit. Of course, you did not work in our case, therefore use the advisor, and it already has built in the function to accompany the position that will not allow you to lose your profit from the principle, the strategy which you was. Alexey Loboda, thank you for attention. Goodbye.